Hello everyone, welcome to Longze Machinery. I'm going to introduce to you our wood sawdust hammer mill to you. This hammer mill can grind wood chips to sawdust 8 millimeters or 10 millimeters or 12 millimeters. The size depends on the sieve fit on the hammer mill. And you can see the complete set hammer mill, including the hammer mill main machine. And this main machine fit with 90 kilowatts electric motor, and its capacity 3 to 4 tons per hour. And this hammer mill with a very easy open maintenance door, and you can move it and easy change the sieves and inside hammers, the spare parts. This hammer mill, through the finished sawdust, will through these pipes, goes up to cyclone, and the finished sawdust will drop down to the bottom of a cyclone through the airlock, drop to the next stage, and with an 15 kilowatts electric motor fan blower, sucking the dust and sawdust, and cyclone collect the sawdust, the finished material, and this bag dust collectors will collect the fine dust, make your factory clean, environmental product. This is the whole installation of the hammer mill. So this introduction is for your reference, how to install the hammer mill complete unit. You will understand more clearly. Thanks for watching this video. We welcome your inquiry about our hammer mill machine. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. I'll see you next time.